Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Let's start, beta. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Me, beta. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the screen also today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very quickly, we'll try and complete this topic of enzymes today. बेटा एक बात और, डोंट पैनिक कि बुक खोल के कि बुक में ऐसे लिखा है ऐसे लिखा है. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट्स टू यू फॉर बायोटेक्नोलॉजी. कॉन्सेप्ट्स करने के बाद आई विल बी शेयरिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन विद यू द मैटर विच इज रिटन इन द बुक्स एंड देन यू विल रियलाइज कि आपको इमीडिएटली कितना इजी हो गया टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज रिटन. Okay, we are doing enzymes. Which was the first type of enzyme we did yesterday? Tell me quickly. I'll move on to the next of the enzymes now.
Lysine
Lysine.
enzyme.
Lysine enzyme.
Yes, lysine enzymes and lysine enzymes we had studied in 4 organisms. Tell me quickly the name of the organisms.
Animal cell, plant
Plant
cell,
cell, animal cell,
Cell,
fungal cell, and
fungal
bacterial
cell,
cell.
and bacterial cell.
Chalo, bahut badhiya. That means I am confident I can move on to the type 2 enzymes. If you can see on the screen, we are going to do type 2 enzymes. What is the name of the type 2 enzyme on the screen for you?
Endonucleases.
Endonucleases.
Yes, endonucleases is a very important category of enzymes, beta, because we are going to use them a lot in biotechnology. The other name for endonucleases is molecular scissors. What is the other name for endonucleases?
Molecular scissor.
Yes. You will find in your book about this enzyme endonucleases that they cut the DNA. I'll try and explain it to you that how they cut the DNA. Got my point? That is what we are going to go and understand, because when we go later and we'll be studying about certain things, if you understand these concepts, it will be very easy for you to understand biotechnology. So we are starting with type 2 enzymes that are endonucleases. They are known as molecular scissors. In 1963, the scientists found that in prokaryotes there is a natural defense system. Natural defense system means वो अपने आप को बचा सकते हैं naturally. जैसे हम लोग को वैक्सीन लेनी पड़ती है या समथिंग टू प्रोटेक्ट आवरसेल्व्स, प्रोकैरियोट्स they have a natural defense system. They can protect themselves from viruses, from getting infected अपने आप से naturally. कुछ ऐसा होता है प्रोकैरियोट्स के अंदर that they can have a defense system against the harmful viruses. Which year it was found, beta?
1963.
1960.
1963.
1963.
1963, the scientists found for something very interesting. What is it which they found interesting? कि जो eukaryotes होते हैं, they have a natural defense system. Now, this natural defense system comprises of two complex systems. We are going to study the body of a prokaryote, and I will explain it to you that how this natural defense system works in prokaryotes. ये जो natural defense system है, this has two parts. This has basically two parts which are known as complex systems. So we say that the natural defense system has two complex systems. Complex system से घबराने की जरूरत नहीं. I mean two enzymes or two molecules. ठीक है? This natural defense system is because of two molecules or two enzymes. What are the two enzymes or two molecules? Please look over here. First is your methylating agent. Which is the first one, beta? Tell me quickly. Which is the first
Methylating agent.
Methylating agent.
methylating agent, and the second is this enzyme of yours, that is endonuclease. I'm trying to explain. We all know, we have read in books that endonuclease are scissors. They will cut DNA. But how they cut DNA, where they cut DNA, that is what I'm trying to explain it to you. So prokaryotes have a natural defense mechanism. We have already discussed. What are the two main parts of that defense mechanism? Which is the first one, children?
Methylating agent.
Methylating agent
Methylating agent.
and
And the
endonuclease.
second is your enzyme endonuclease. When I say methylating agent, I mean an agent which can give methyl group. Okay? Understand this word also. Methyl group, what is the formula?
CS3.
CH3.
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 Okay. So we have one part that is, what is it? Beta C. Methylating agent is an agent which can add which group? Which can add the methyl group. And the second is what we call as the endonuclease enzyme. Now I'm trying and explaining it to you how this defense mechanism works. Please see this figure. I have already explained it to you about defense mechanism. Now let me explain this to you. This is your E. coli prokaryote. Which prokaryote I have taken to explain it to you? This is E. coli. Okay, beta? Now special thing about E. coli is that it has its own genetic material. Can you see this part over here? This is its own genetic material. Can you see everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this bada wala thing that we have? I have taken an example to explain what I have explained. I'm just giving you more details. This is your E. coli. And what is this? This is E. coli has its own what? It has its own genetic material. Clear, everybody? Now, see, this is a virus which is coming to infect the E. coli, sorry. Can you see this virus?
Yes, ma'am.
This is E. coli. This E. coli, supposing, is infected by this virus. This virus will attack this E. coli. Clear? यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया बेटा? See, this
Yes,
is your
ma'am.
prokaryote, E. coli. This virus is attacking the E. coli. This was the genetic material of E. coli. But virus will also have its own genetic material. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
So
ma'am.
I have shown this as the genetic material. This is the DNA of E. coli. Okay, beta? This one. This is the E. coli DNA. And this is the genetic material of inside the E. coli now. Fertilized genetic material. And this is the genetic material of the virus. Now understand one thing very clearly. I told you very clearly one thing, beta, that the defense mechanism has two parts. Tell me what are the two parts?
Methylating agent.
Methylating agent and endonucleases.
Yes, methylating agent and endonuclease. Now what you need to do is, now as soon as this virus will attack your E. coli, I also said it is a natural defense mechanism. मतलब अपने आप सब कुछ हो जाएगा. The second part of the defense mechanism I told you was your enzyme endonuclease. And what was the function of endonuclease I discussed in the beginning?
Cut the DNA.
To cut down.
Cut the
Ma'am,
DNA
to cut
at
the
a
DNA.
cut the DNA at a specific site. वो कहीं भी cut नहीं करता. It cuts the DNA at a specific site. Supposing this enzyme endonuclease is cutting the DNA at between A and T sites. Is it okay, बेटा? हम मान ले रहे हैं that this specific endonuclease will cut your DNA at site. Which site? Between A and T. यहाँ पे बीच में cut करेगा. Now there is a problem, beta. The problem is that the genetic material of E. coli will also have A and T, and the genetic material of this virus will also have A and T bases. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There are two genetic materials. Na? E. coli का अपना genetic material that will also have the bases A and T. Similarly, this virus which has attacked this E. coli, this also has its own DNA, its own genetic material, which will have the bases A and T. If you can see, I have written over here cut DNA. Where is it cutting DNA? If this line you can see, it shows it cuts the DNA between which two bases?
A and T.
A and T.
Just
A and T.
हाँ बेटा, बस फिगर को थोड़ा बड़ा कर लो. That is all on your screens. बाकी सब कुछ समझ में आएगा. Just magnify the figure that I have drawn. Now what will happen is this poor endonuclease. इसका तो एक ही काम है. What is the work of endonuclease? That it will cut the DNA. Here it is cutting the DNA between A and T. This endonuclease is not able to differentiate between both the DNAs. Endonuclease नहीं पहचान सकता है that this is the DNA of E. coli or it is the DNA of the infected virus. So what will endonuclei do? It will cut both the DNAs. It will cut the DNA of the virus also from between A and T, and it will cut the DNA of its own also between A and T. And if it does this, then it is going to be a suicidal thing, yani E. coli मर जाएगा. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
or
yes.
no?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
DNA is not able to identify कि कौन सा foreign DNA है. Which is the foreign DNA over here? This DNA which has come with the virus. And its own DNA, that is the native DNA, was this one. But endonuclease cannot identify. Endonuclease सिर्फ ये देखेगा, okay, A and T के बीच में cut करना है. It will cut between here A and T, and it will cut between A and T here also. That means it will cut both the genetic material, its own genetic material, and the genetic material of this virus. तो ये तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. If you see this is not correct, then this second part of the defense mechanism comes into scene. Tell me what was the second part? एक तो endonuclease, which was the second one I told you?
Methylating agent.
Methylating agent.
Methylating agent. I also told you what is the function of methylating agent. Tell me.
It attaches the methyl group.
Yes, it attaches methyl group. It gives a methyl group. Now listen to what we have done. Listen carefully. E. coli needs to protect itself. E. coli needs to protect itself. Why it needs to protect itself? Because endonuclease will cut the DNA at a specific site. Supposing I gave you the example between what? Between A and T. Endonuclease cannot differentiate A and T of the virus and A and T of its own. So both the DNAs will be cut. Till here everybody is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this one will come in action कि ये तो बहुत गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. This endonuclease will cut the own DNA also, and it cut the DNA of the virus also. So this agent, methylating agent, will come into scene now. What is the methylating agent going to do? Okay, because we know that endonuclease cannot differentiate, what will the methylating agent do? It will add methyl group. Either it will add a methyl group to A or it will add the methyl group to T. इस वाले को देखो बेटा, T के पास ये डॉट दिख रहा है. Can you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
this dot over here? T?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is which group I'm showing with the help of this dot?
Methyl group.
Methyl group.
This methyl group is attached to which base over here? See the figure?
T.
T.
T. It can attach to A also. Methylating agent will attach it to anyone. Either it will give a methyl group to T or it will give a methyl group to A. अब बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. This poor endonuclease, इसे तो एक ही चीज पता है. that I have to cut between A and T. जब वो यहाँ जाएगा तो A and T दिखेगा, वो easily इसको cut करेगा. It's going to cut the A and T of this virus. But beta, when it will come here to cut A and T, it will not be able to identify this T, because this T is not T now. One more group is added to this T. What is the group which is added?
Methyl group.
Methyl
methyl
group.
group.
Methyl group. So now it will not be able to identify. वो पहचान ही नहीं पाएगा A and T. क्यों नहीं पहचान पाएगा? Because this is not T now. There is a methyl group attached to T. So it will not cut this DNA. It will not cut this DNA because this is not a normal A and T, and endonuclease can only identify and cut A and T. Clear till here, or you want me to explain again? Tell me, you want me to explain again?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat again.
Very
Yes,
quickly, very
ma'am.
quickly. Okay, I'll do it very quickly. Very quickly, I'm going to do it. In 1963, it was found that prokaryotes, there is a natural defense system. Natural defense system, वो अपने आप को खुद ही बचा लेते हैं from infecting viruses. And this natural defense system comprises of two complex systems. When I say two complex systems, it can be two enzymes, it can be two molecules, it can be one enzyme, one molecule, कुछ भी हो सकता है, but two parts. The main two parts in a defense mechanism of a prokaryote are, what was the first thing, beta? Quickly.
Methylating agent.
Methylating agent.
And which was the second one?
Endonuclease.
Endonuclease.
Endonuclease. Now I'm going to explain it the same thing to you. What happens in a prokaryotic cell, how this defense mechanism works. This example I have taken of a prokaryotic cell. Which is this prokaryotic cell I have taken?
E.
See
coli.
this?
E. coli.
The special part about E. coli is that it has its own genetic material. See, I have drawn this. If you can see this part, can you see this part? This
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
own genetic material of E. coli. This is the own genetic material of E. coli. Now, this virus, if you can see this virus, this is infecting the E. coli. This is attacking the E. coli. Once this virus will infect E. coli, beta, the DNA of the virus will enter the DNA, will enter the E. coli. अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो ये वाली जो लाइन है, this is the DNA I have shown of which of the virus, and this is the DNA or genetic material of E. coli. Now, what will happen is we have this enzyme endonuclease which is known as molecular scissors, and you just told me कि इसका काम क्या होता है? It is going to cut DNA at a specific site. Okay, let us assume that endonuclease, this enzyme endonuclease will cut DNA between A and T. Can you see this line over here? This I have written cut
Yes,
DNA.
ma'am.
Yes,
मतलब DNA यहाँ से
Yes,
कट होगा.
ma'am.
यहाँ से कट होगा मतलब किसके between में कट होगा बेटा?
A and T.
ANT.
ANT.
Again, I'm telling you, this is all an application-based chapter. Concepts ठीक कर लो because questions direct नहीं आएंगे from this chapter. So this DNA will be cut between A and T. This endonuclease will cut in this DNA between A and T. अब this virus का जो DNA है, this also has A and T, and its own genetic material of E. coli also has these bases A and T, if you can see. Now this enzyme endonuclease, it cannot differentiate. वो नहीं पहचान पाएगा that this is virus DNA or this is its own genetic material. It has its function कि वो cut कर देगा. So what will it do? It will cut this DNA of virus. It will also cut this DNA between A and T. And if the genetic material of E. coli will be destroyed, then obviously suicidal है ये, E. coli will die. So E. coli needs a defense mechanism. उसको अपने को बचाना है, that defense mechanism. So who is going to help? The second part, the part that we had in the defense mechanism, जो दूसरी चीज थी. What was the second thing we had?
Methylating agent.
Methylating agent.
Methylating agent. And I told you in the
agent.
beginning only, I told you that methylating agent gives a methyl group. Now what will this methylating agent do? एकदम active हो जाएगा. That I need to protect the E. coli. It will give one methyl group either to the A or to the T. Okay? And it will methyl group will attach to them. In this figure, if you can see this dot, this is your methyl group. I have attached it to which base?
T.
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 I have attached it to T. Now endonuclease आएगा, उसका function क्या है? That it has to cut between A and T. But when it will identify T, तो T जैसा लगेगा ही नहीं, because what is attached to T group now?
Methyl group.
Methyl group.
Methyl group.
Methyl group.
So it will not be able to identify this T, so it will not cut. उसे लगेगा ये ANT based नहीं है, उसको सिर्फ ANT के बीच में कट करना है, and T अब T नहीं है, so it will not cut this ANT. बेटा what is the benefit? क्या फायदा हुआ ये सब करके?
मैम उसका वो डीएनए एक्सपोज नहीं हुआ वायरस को.
Yes, if you see the own DNA, natural DNA बच गया from cutting. Otherwise, who would have cut it?
एंडोन्यूक्लियस.
Endonucleus. Endonucleus cannot identify. वो तो simply जहाँ ANT देखेगा it will simply cut. देखो यहाँ पे उसने कट कर दिया, तो ये तो डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया वायरस आपका. इसका जेनेटिक मटेरियल खत्म हो गया, तो ये वायरस डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया. देखो बेटा, ऑटोमेटिकली द जेनेटिक मटेरियल ऑफ दिस वायरस इज डिस्ट्रॉयड. ई कोलाई इज सेव्ड. हियर उसका अपना जेनेटिक मटेरियल भी सेव्ड है. Again it is saved. That is why when I started the topic, I told you it was in 1963 that the scientists found that in prokaryotes there is a natural defense system. आपने कुछ नहीं किया. This defense system is naturally inbuilt in prokaryotes, and I tried to explain this to you with the help of which prokaryote over here?
E. coli.
E. coli.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, beta. Continue.
मैम मिथाइलेटिंग एजेंट मैम वो आइडेंटिफाई कर लेता है कि ये इससे मुझे सिर्फ इसके
Yes.
ई कोलाई के
Very
डीएनए
good. Very good. Good. Very good. ये जो methylating agent है, this is able to differentiate between the which DNA? The infect this foreign, we call this DNA as a foreign DNA. जो बाहर से आता है बेटा उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में? फॉरेन. He has come from foreign. ये हमारा अपना नहीं है. So this is the foreign DNA and this is the native DNA. So methylating agent is able to identify between both DNAs. It will immediately give its methyl group to which DNA? Foreign DNA or native DNA?
नेटिव.
Native DNA.
Now we are going to
Native
quickly
DNA.
read what we have done. E. coli needs to protect. So the endonuclease will cut the DNA at a specific site, suppose between A and T. Endonuclease cannot differentiate between AT of virus and its own. So both the DNAs will be cut. So what is the methylating agent doing, children? Methylating agent will add the methyl group either to A or to T of the native DNA. Now, the endonuclease cannot identify the methylated AT. Methylated AT now. Which methylated I did? I did methylated T or I did methylated A?
मिथाइलेटेड.
T.
I have
T.
drawn T, you can draw A. Beta confusion pata kahan hoti hai? When you see so many books, somewhere you will see methylated A written, somewhere you will see methylated T written, and then children get confused. There are so many small things in this chapter, which if your concepts are not clear, again I'm telling you, you will not be able to answer questions. So endonuclease cannot identify the methylated A or T. I should have written over here. So it will not cut. So endonuclease will cut only which DNA? Which DNA will endonuclease cut?
फॉरेन डीएनए.
Foreign
It will
DNA.
Foreign
not
DNA.
cut-
Foreign
it will
DNA.
not cut its own. दो बेटा endonucleases enzymes के बारे में, how they work, where they cut, what is their function, what are the types, I will be taking up in detail later in the next class. Abhi, because I'm doing enzymes, I have just told you the second category of enzymes and how it works. Yesterday we did the category 1 of enzymes. What was the heading of those enzymes?
Lysing.
Lysing.
Lysing enzymes. So in lysing enzymes, you will explain about those 4 molecules which I had discussed with you. The second category of enzymes we have just done. What was the second heading of the enzymes?
Endonuclease.
Endonuclease.
One very important thing about endonucleases, they are also called as restriction endonuclease. You will find this term in the books. Endonuclease, in this case, we are going to call it as restriction endonuclease. Why are we calling it as restriction endonuclease? Because it has restricted the foreign DNA to attack the host cell. Restricted मतलब क्या होता है? रोक देना. Restriction यही तो होता है. What is restricted? To stop. You understand the word. Now we say you are restricted. You cannot do this. That means you have been stopped to do something. So restriction मतलब किसी चीज को रोक देना. Now this endonuclease of yours has restricted the foreign DNA to attack the host cell. Which was the host cell in the example that I explained just now to you?
E. coli.
E. coli.
E. coli. So why are endonucleases also called as restriction endonucleases? Because they restrict the अब यहाँ पे E. coli नहीं लिखना है. If it comes as a 1 marker question, that is just that I have explained it to you. The host cell can be any prokaryotic cell. So restriction endonucleases because it has, use this word when you answer such a question, 1 marker. Restriction hai, so this is the keyword which you need to use. What is the keyword you need to use? Restricted. Now quickly tell me, why are endonucleases called as restriction endonucleases?
Because it
Because it
restricted the
restricts
foreign
foreign
DNA.
DNA
Foreign
to
DNA
that
to
host cell.
Now let me see if you have understood what was the foreign DNA attacking over here in the example that I took.
Ma'am, virus.
virus.
A virus.
And what was your host cell?
E. coli.
E. coli.
So in books you will find this sentence written. Restriction endonuclease because it has restricted the foreign DNA, but we need to understand that how it has restricted. ये जो दो parts वाली चीज है, you will not find it in your books as of now. But बच्चे ये समझो that how it has restricted. So you will remember it forever that this is how it has restricted. That is why it is called as restriction endonuclease. So we are done with the second category of enzymes. There are a lot of things more about this enzyme endonuclease. This is one of the most important enzymes of biotechnology. But अभी हम उसको discuss नहीं करेंगे. We are taking up only one answer, one topic, and that is enzymes. I'm moving on to the third very important enzyme in biotechnology, alkaline phosphatase. Please take the name of this enzyme. What is the name of this enzyme?
Alkaline phosphatase.
Alkaline phosphatase.
Alkaline phosphatase. इसका working थोड़ा सा confusing है. If you pick up your books all in one, only 3 or 4 lines are written about alkaline phosphatase. But you need to understand, thoda sa mushkil hai. If you don't understand, let me know. I'll do it again with you. Let us understand the function of alkaline phosphatase. Dekho beta, I have drawn this gola wala thing. This is a plasmid. What is this? This is a plasmid. When we use the word plasmid, I mean it's the genetic material, extranuclear genetic material in prokaryotes. What does a plasmid mean? The genetic material in prokaryotes. अभी आपने plasmid देखा था क्या E. coli में?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you see? Yes or no?
Ma'am,
This
yes.
was a prokaryote, this was a
Yes, ma'am.
prokaryote, or this was a eukaryote?
Yes, ma'am.
This was a prokaryote na beta.
Yes,
मैंने
ma'am.
genetic
ma'am.
material कैसे draw? Yes. How did I draw the genetic material? Did I draw it something circular or I made a straight line? ये
Circular.
देखो.
Circular.
Circular.
Something circular. ठीक है बेटा, this is something circular. जब straight होता है, that is called as linear
Yes,
DNA
ma'am.
or linear genetic material. Okay? And this is what is the shape is. This is a circular shape. एक और word हम इसको use करते हैं, that is extranuclear. What do you mean by extranuclear?
And outside the nucleus.
Exactly, outside the nucleus. Now let us, अब बहुत clear समझ में आ जाएगा what is the plasmid. अब इसको देखते हैं. Very good children. Look at this. This is a plasmid. How have I defined plasmid? Extranuclear genetic material in prokaryotes. Clear everybody what is a plasmid?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us imagine, वहां पे तो हमने बचा लिया था, endonucleus को cut नहीं करने दिया था. Supposing an endonucleus cuts this plasmid. What case am I taking now? Supposing the second part of the defense mechanism जिसको अपना काम करना था, कौन सा वाला था वो जिसको मिथाइल ग्रुप ऐड करना था?
Methylating agent.
Methylating
Yes.
agent.
Yes, timely it is not able to function, and this endonuclease has cut your DNA, this material, genetic material, which we call as plasmid. अब बेटा एक काम करो, you take, all of you lift your left hand, अपना thumb लो, first finger लो और उसको मोड़ के गोल बनाओ. Do it with your hands, everybody. Can you do it very easily? जैसे कोई चीज को कहते हैं ना बहुत बढ़िया, बनाते ही नहीं बनाते हैं. Can anybody
ma'am.
draw and show me? Ariba generally helps me out in all these things. आप किसी चीज को कहते हैं ना बहुत बढ़िया. You make a circle and your hand. Yes, this is how you draw, children. Very good, very good. So now, if same thing we have done with our hand. Only the first finger, beta. बस first finger and thumb को गोल कर लिया हमने. मोड़ दिया तो गोल बन गया. Now let's open it. Let's open this. ओपन करो बेटा. कैसा हो गया ओपन करने के बाद? स्ट्रेट हो गया बिल्कुल.
Yes, ma'am.
Try it again. देखो बेटा, फर्स्ट फिंगर एंड थंब को मोड़ लो तो गोला बन गया. Yes or no, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you open
Yes,
that
ma'am.
circle which you have made with your finger and thumb and उसको बिल्कुल stretch करो तो straight line बन रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. Okay. Exactly same thing यहाँ पे होने जा रहा है. This was your circular plasmid. Your endonuclease will cut this, तो ये ऐसे बन जाएगा ऐसे. Linear DNA. What are we going to call this as? Straight molecule. What has this become now? This was a circular molecule. After the endonuclease has cut, it has become which molecule, children? It has become a straight molecule.
Straight
दिख रहा है बेटा ये?
molecule.
Okay. Now
Yes.
understand this. This is your, what is this, children? ये थोड़ा complicated है,
Plasmid.
धीरे धीरे. Plasmid.
Plasmid.
Who
Ma'am,
is
plasmid.
attacking it? Who is cutting this?
Endonuclease.
Endonuclease.
Endonuclease. Now after this material is cut, after cutting, your straight molecule you will get. What will you get over this? If you can see on the screen, this is a straight molecule. This is a genetic material, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this a
Yes,
genetic
ma'am.
material? Yes, it is a
Yes.
genetic material. So it will have the same 3' and 5', yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
On 3' you will have
OH group.
OH.
OH
On
group.
5' you have
Phosphate.
Phosphate.
Phosphate group.
okay. Finger expression I have mentioned so that I need to remember कि मुझे आपको ये experiment कराना है, exercise कराना है. I think you've already done thumb and finger मोड़ने वाला. We did that experiment
Yes,
to
ma'am.
understand कि how
Yes, ma'am.
we did this experiment to find out कि circular DNA linear कैसे बन गया after cutting. That is why I tried to do this with you. Beta, but there is a problem. Again, this can become circular. If you leave it, आप दोबारा जोड़ सकते हो नहीं जोड़ सकते हो? Again, it will become circular or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, ऐसा थोड़ी है कि once you open it आप दोबारा उसको गोल कर ही नहीं सकते हो. You can again do it. Yes or no, my child?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आप बोलो नहीं तो मुझे लगता है कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा. Okay, clear. Now, again it can become circular. So, why it can become circular? Because of this bond. Bond between P and bond between
And
OH. ठीक है बेटा? दोनों के दोनों बीच में
Yes,
बॉन्ड
ma'am.
बना लेते हैं. Which two? P and OH. तो जैसे ही आप दोबारा गोल करोगे, अगेन जैसे ही पास लेकर के आओगे, दोबारा बॉन्ड बन जाएगा. Because the bond is formed between whom or which? The bond is formed between this OH phosphodiester
And P.
bond. What is this bond called as?
Phosphodiester.
Phosphodiester bond. Now, again it will become circular. This is what will happen now. See, this is what? This is your 3', 5' end. Now, what is happening over here now? This enzyme of yours will come into scene. What was the name of the enzyme that I'm discussing? We started enzyme. What was the name of the enzyme?
Ma'am, phosphatase.
Pura naam and complete name.
Alkaline phosphatase.
Alkaline
Alkaline
phosphatase. Very good. It is alkaline phosphatase now. What will this do now? Dekho beta. Alkaline phosphatase will remove this P from the 5' end. Clear? What is alkaline phosphatase doing? It is going to remove this P. From which end it is going to remove?
5' end.
5'.
5' end. अभी ये वाला जो था बेटा, ये जो पहले ओरिजिनल था, it had OH on the 3', it had phosphate on the 5'. But after your enzyme has removed P, अब ये ऐसा हो गया. ये देखो बेटा. On 3' we have which group?
OH.
OH. But on 5' there is no phosphate. Is there phosphate on the 5' now?
No, ma'am.
Where has it gone? Who has removed this? Who has removed this?
Alkaline phosphate.
Alkaline
phosphatase.
phosphatase.
Okay. Now I don't know whether you're using a mobile or a laptop, how clearly you'll be able to see, but I have tried to explain something over side over here. The bond is formed between P and OH. Okay, the bond, which bond, what was it? Phosphodiester bond?
Phosphodiester.
This phosphodiester bond
Yes,
was
ma'am.
formed between these two things. Can you see on the screen? Left side, extreme left pe dekho.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This bond was formed between P and OH. But now what is not there, beta? What is not there?
P. Phosphate group.
P is not there. So there is no P, so there is no bond. Clear? This left side samajh mein aa gaya? The bond was formed
Yes,
between
ma'am.
P and OH. That bond was called as phosphodiester bond. Now we don't have a P, so the bond will not be formed. And who has removed this P? What was the name of the enzyme?
Alkaline
Alkaline
phosphatase.
phosphatase.
Alkaline phosphatase.
Excuse me,
अब
ma'am.
देखो, there will be, yes beta, continue. Who is this? Saransh Patel now. What is the time? 10 minutes left for the class to get over. Was he there in the class? He left by mistake or he's trying to join now? Tell me, children, honestly. He was there? Was he there earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I once heard his voice.
Then we can admit him. But if he's just joining, then we cannot admit. We need to understand कि हम ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं. Why are we doing all this? क्यों हमने
Ma'am.
DNA को खोदा? Yes, बेटा.
मैम पर अगर वो फॉस्फेट हटा दिया तो मैम फिर 5 प्राइम एंड वाली शुगर का तो 5th कार्बन खाली हो जाएगा.
या आगे देखो, आगे देखो. Have patience. Wait for the topic to get completed. Okay. Now try and understand. I'm going back to the same thing कि हम ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं. We need to enter in the first class of biotechnology. If you remember, I told you about gene of interest. Do you
Yes,
remember?
ma'am.
How many of you remember gene of interest?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. My main function is that I am a biotechnologist. I have to incorporate my gene of interest into a DNA. If that is what we do in biotechnology, we have to incorporate a gene of interest.
ma'am.
So what am I going to do now? अब देखो हमने ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं and how things are going to proceed now. Your P is removed from this end over here. अब यहाँ पे बेटा इसको देखो. On the 3' end, what was present over here?
OH group.
OH. OH. Now come here. If you can see this zigzag line that I have drawn, this is my gene of interest. What is this over here?
जीन ऑफ
Gene of interest.
Gene of interest.
Gene of interest has a 3' end over here. Can you see? I don't know how clear it is on your screens. This gene of interest has a 3' end over here.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And this,
Yes, ma'am.
I try to write bada, but then let's see how much it is. If you want, I can make it all bada tomorrow if you want for this. See, this gene, this is your gene of interest. This gene of interest has a 3' end over here and a 5' end over here. Now, 3' end of this gene will have which group over here?
OH.
OH.
And the 5' end of this gene will have what over here?
फॉस्फेट.
Phosphate.
Okay. Now see, I have made a bond. If you see this circle over, can you see my cursor on your screens when I move?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine,
ma'am.
beta. I am
Yes.
learning very. I mean, I am just ABCD. I am learning nursery KG. I am in using this technology, so I need your help at times. If you see, I have made a bond over here. This bond is being formed. Let me go back to what I had written between this P and OH. The bond was formed between what, beta? P and
P
OH.
and OH.
And
What was that bond called? What was that bond called as?
Phosphodiester.
Phosphodiester.
phosphodiester bond.
थोड़ा सा change हो गया, थोड़ा सा change हो गया. The P is from, the P is which one?
Gene
Which
of
P?
interest.
Gene of interest
Gene.
का P. And OH wala part is your original linear DNA, which we have got by opening which DNA? The plasmid DNA. Now, listen very carefully. This was your gene of interest. This was your linear DNA, which we got by opening of the plasmid. अब इसको पहचानो ये क्या है? From here to here, this haphazard part that I have drawn, zigzag line. What is this?
जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट.
Gene of interest.
And gene of
Of
interest.
interest, or you can say this is your desired gene. And ये जो straight line से show कर रहा है, what is this, children?
प्लाज्मिड
This part?
लीनियर.
This is your linear
Plasmid
plasmid.
DNA.
So linear plasmid was your DNA? Yes or no? It was DNA now.
Ma'am.
यस मैम.
Yes,
Acha.
ma'am.
In this DNA, I have incorporated my, what have I incorporated over here?
Gene of interest.
जीन
Gene
ऑफ
of
And gene
इंटरेस्ट.
of
Gene of
interest.
interest. So you have got a new kind of modified DNA which contains your gene of interest. Now just tell me one thing. Just 1 second, let me explain it to you. Very quickly. Which is the third type of enzyme before my screen closes? Then I'll be explaining other
Alkaline
things.
phosphatase.
Alkaline
Alkaline
phosphatase.
phosphate. What is
Alkaline
this,
phosphate.
children? Very quickly. What is this?
Plasmid.
Plasmid.
What is
Plasmid.
plasmid? What is plasmid?
Extra nuclear
Extranuclear
genetic
genetic
material in
material.
prokaryotes.
Nuclear DNA.
Okay. After cutting this plasmid, which kind of a DNA will you get? ये वाला ऐसा ऐसा?
Linear DNA.
Straight.
Linear form.
Linear DNA. On 3' end you will have what?
Hydroxyl
OH group.
OH
On
group.
5' you will get?
phosphate.
Phosphate group.
Okay.
Phosphate
We
group.
don't want to make it circular. बताओ बेटा, main चीज अब आ रही है. Why